Good morning, my awesome friends. I want to share a few of my awesome gardening channels I love to watch. They're full of inspiration and every channel's different. They put a different spin on them, and I want you to see how wonderful they all are. Go check them out. See what you think. Don't forget to tell them that Grandma Sandy sent you. I want you to see all the different ways these videos are. They are so magical and put together so well. Don't forget, let them know that Grandma Sandy sent you. It's shout out time, and we're doing some garden channels today. And I hope you're going to go over and check them out. Some of them are sort of big, some of them are sort of small. Some of them need your help and love and support. And some of them are going to share such beautiful gardens with you. You don't want to miss them. You want to get over there and check them out. Maybe make some new friends and see some beautiful gardens. And this one is not a really big channel, but she does have a lot of great garden videos already up. So go over and check her out and see what she has done and what she shared with us. She shares great garden tours. She shares with you all the things she's growing in her garden and all the food that she's putting together and growing. Things she doesn't have to go anywhere to buy. It's all here on her property. Fresh fruits and vegetables, no pesticides. She knows what she's put in her soil and what she's grown. And as you can see, she's got a lot of views because she's got a lot of great videos here. Make sure you go over and check her out. I think you'll be amazed at all the garden tours she has put together and all the great information. Now don't forget to get over there and check out this channel. Great content and lots of wonderful things she shares every single week. Also, you can see she's got some great nature videos up also on her channel about the bees, the birds, and the turtles. Oh my gosh, I love this channel. Go check it out. Oh, and here's another one of my garden buddies, Where Wildflowers Grow. You know Grandma loves wonderful garden videos and nature videos, and this one here is really well done, beautiful videos she puts together. I think you'll enjoy them. If you haven't already been following her, please go check her out. She shows all kinds of interesting things about the mushrooms and the pumpkins and just such great videos in the first one here. She takes you out and sees how beautiful her country is and the wildness all about her. Oh, I think you're going to love watching her videos. She's a lot of fun and she puts a lot of interesting content in her videos. If you like wildlife, if you like gardening, if you like what's out there in our beautiful world, and she shares the simple, beautiful things of life, go check out this channel. Make sure you tell her Grandma sent you. You know, I want them to know that I'm really out there giving love and support to these channels. That's how we all need to do. Get over there, check them out. Maybe make some new garden buddies. She tries to show you how beautiful everything is, and I really love the simple videos she puts together and shows you all the things she's growing. And as you can see, her videos are very well loved. She's got a lot of views on them. Go find out why she has so many. She's doing a great job. Here's another one of my favorite garden channels I just found recently, and oh my gosh, he is so much fun to listen to, and he shares such wonderful videos. All kinds of things to do with the garden and nature, and you really got to go check this one out. You'll be surprised all the wonderful, interesting things he shares with you. I just love all the interesting garden videos he puts up. Look at how wonderful everything looks. He has a beautiful garden and oh, do I love them. He's got some great videos of the hedgehogs in his yard. Oh, aren't they cute? And he shares so much information about them. I love those videos. And he has so many beautiful flowers and shares how he plants his wonderful bulbs, and you need to go check it out. You'll be amazed at all the wonderful things he shares, and he has such a great sense of humor, and he shares so many great tips. Look at the one here about the Hocus Pocus spell book. And here's another wonderful wild meadow video. And here's another Halloween video. Lots of variety on this channel. And lots of great information about beautiful roses and all these other beautiful plants. And he grows. Everything is so beautiful on his channel. So if you love garden videos, make sure you come and check this channel out. He has such beautifully put together videos and photographs everything so beautiful. Well, here is another one of my garden channels I love. Oh my gosh, she always does a wonderful job on all of her videos also. And she has such a beautiful garden full of wonderful things to share. And she even shares her mistakes. That way, you know where you're heading. Really, mistakes or something doesn't turn out well really isn't something bad because you're learning something. So, make sure you go check out this awesome channel. She does a great job. She has a wonderful garden and she loves giving garden tours of it. She gives you great tips and how to improve your garden, how to repurpose things you already own and have, finding thrift store treasures, and turning this beautiful garden into a place to just sit down and relax. And I just love what she does. Everything is so beautiful, and she's always showing you the bad along with everything beautiful. For you can see anything can be made beautiful with just a little bit of love and care. So go make sure you would check her out. And I hope you enjoyed all these Garden Buddy videos that I shared today with you. Hope you make a few new friends. I know we love all these channels. I love walking through their gardens and seeing all the beautiful things they do. I hope you enjoy it too. Bye-bye for now, my dear friends. Don't forget to tell them that Grandma sent you.